go now to chapter 3. So what we need to do is help the three cannibals and three missionaries move to the other side of the lake. If the number of cannibals is larger than the number of missionaries on either side of the lake, the missionaries will be eaten. So ये क्या कह रहे हैं? 3-2 नहीं हो सकता, 3-1 नहीं हो सकता, 2-1 नहीं हो सकता. It means number of missionaries ज़्यादा रहनी होगी, number of cannibals कम रहनी होगी. By the way, cannibals ये जंगली हैं और missionaries ये orange dress वाले. So let's go. So let's take. Okay, 2-2 हो गया. इसको छोड़ देते हैं. इस साइड का 3-2 हो गया. So let's take this one. अभी 2 इस साइड है, ये बोट पे भी सही है. Let's go. Oh shit. Let's take one cannibal, one missionary. Let's go. Leave the cannibal. Now I'll not do the mistake again. Okay. And take this also. Let's go. All are safe now. And return back. Leave this one. Take this one. Take this one. So be 2-2 है. Here everyone is safe. We leave these two. Take this one. Take this one. Yes. So everyone is safe now. Let's drop one of them. So मैं इसको और छोड़ देती हूँ, इसको ले लेती हूँ. Then I think situation is controlled. Yes. I turn it. Take one missionary now. Let's go. Yes, I finished.